Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 E300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath it is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has a sports package, which is going to give you a AMG body styling on the interior next year. 18-inch 5-spoke alloys, front and rear LED daytime running lights, macchiato beige MB-Tex interior with a light brown ash wood trim, sunroof, rear spoiler, E300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season and regular floor mats, full down rear seats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, ambient lighting, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, USB port and wireless charging, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This E-Class has 17,063 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.